30-year-old police sub-inspector shoots first cousin at Kwakethel Moirangpure Lekai, surrenders at Singzamai police station. Counsel for CBI says it cannot consider the confession made by Head Constable Herozit before the media as evidence in Sanjit Ravina fake encounter case. And former Speaker T.N. Haokip appointed President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee. Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Prime Time News. I'm Buchi Manambam with the top stories. In a shocking incident, a 30-year-old man shot his first cousin at Kwakethel Moirangpure Lekai today. The deceased has been identified as Laishram Naupak, 26, son of Laishram Govind, while the alleged killer has been identified as Laishram Virzit, son of Dr. Ranbir Laishram. Govind and Dr. Ranbir are brothers. The accused is presently under probation as a sub-inspector in Manipur Police Department. According to the family of the deceased, Naupak was taken by his cousin Virzit in a Maruti Suzuki Swift car around 11 a.m. and later came to know about his death from the police. Police sources said Virzit brought the dead body of Naupak around 1:20 p.m. to Singzamai police station and surrendered himself. Naupak was shot in the chest and right thigh. Residents of Kwakethel Moirangpure Lekai vandalized some portion of the house of the accused, but police personnel controlled the mob. The reason for the killing is not yet known. A case has been registered at Singzamai police station.
풍 드라마도 바로 살드네 통한지대기네 마는 남다나 부기베네바 이나오빠지 아두가 말안 치라가 농마이나 카파가 아둑티나 핫비바 라이센스 간에 마사 히파나 타고 타박 타우지바네마 라이센스 간 야우다나 마는 민 투민나 후라 포로빠네바 후라 포라가 이나오빠지 통한대기 마나 파라 부기메네 이나오빠지 아두 마나 단디 비비요 지에나 탐비가다바니 파시도라 하토카 하토피가다바니.
Two-week awareness registration, verification of building and other construction workers began today at the office complex of the DC Imphal West at Lamphilpat. Speaking on the occasion, Labour and Employment Minister I. Hemochandra urged the officials of the department to work sincerely to serve the interests of the workers. He said the workers are the backbone of the Labour Department and it is necessary to give them awareness about their rights and privileges from time to time. He also called upon the workers in both the hills and valley to take advantage of the two-day registration program by registering themselves. In a speech, Kaisamthong MLA Laishom Ibomcha urged the Labour Minister to make the Labour Department a full-fledged department. The program was organized by Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board.
Level inspectors may have Pajana talk to you, a shame that Porto Potopio, when you like Karino, a queen of Pisano, what I there is no Kangalas. I don't know, Machine Mela say every 6 months from Bobby, Chahia with the Anila Kuba, China Chow, Chahia with the Chahia with the Anila Kuba.
The Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI, which investigated the Sanjit Ravina fake encounter case, cannot take the statement made by Head Constable Thaunawsam Herozit before the print and electronic media as evidence in the case. The CBI counsels today submitted before the District and Sessions Judge in Imphal West that further investigation into the case should be decided by the court. The District and Sessions Judge in Imphal West today heard the petition filed by the mother of late Chungkham Sanjit and reserved the court's decision till tomorrow. C.H. Taratombi, mother of Sanjit, has moved the court to allow further investigation by the CBI into the fake encounter case. Herozit, who had confessed that he had killed Sanjit, appeared in the court of the District and Sessions Judge for the third time today. The counsels of Herozit and Taratombi were also present at the court. Taratombi's counsel, Khaide Mani, requested the court to allow further investigation into the case by the CBI under the CRPC section 173 clause 8 as the case is the rarest of the rare cases. The counsel for Herozit also asked should the CBI remain silent, doubting the confession made by him. He asked whether the court has authority to order further probe by the investigating agency. CBI counsels expressed the concern that Herojit is trying to temper the Sanjit Rabina fake encounter case when the case is about to be disposed. They said the disclosure made by Herojit is off the record as he did not make it during the trial. Bablu Loitongbam told the court today that he sent the photo clippings of the Sanjit fake encounter, which occurred on July 23, 2009 at Khairamban Kaitel, which were published in Tehelka magazine on August 8. He was giving the statement as a witness at the District and Sessions Court today. He said the pictures were taken from a person and sent to a Tehelka magazine journalist, Teresa Rahman. The government has distributed compensations to 24 families in Oinam constituency who were affected by the January 4 earthquake at a function held at Ibudho Chum Mandharam Community Hall. Oinam MLA Dr. Aibu Holby said and Subdivisional Officer Nambol and Ramananda handed over the compensation to the affected families. MLA Dr. Aibu Holby appreciated the government for its timely help to the victims of the earthquake. However, the MLA urged the government to consider what can be done for the families whose homes were damaged by the quake. Nambol SDO Ramananda appealed to the people to approach the departments concerned to seek help when natural calamities hit them. Families whose houses were completely destroyed by the earthquake received a compensation of Rs 95,000, while families whose houses were partially damaged received Rs 3,200 from the Disaster Management Division of the Ministry of Home Affairs.
Police Shop was in Chilising Ranga Pire Yam Noire. Police Shop was the Pangaya was Pangudre, Hapaya was happy rectre, Madusakagi, ID, Shalay Tabana or Ambasue. Palisho be using Sulerang Nina, Lerang Asidik, Kitan Chakibada, ID Amon and Nuxin Shalakomatam, the Labia, the Vanina. Police Shop was in Chigi Madunda, Toy no Itaba, Mayam Yauri, Madusakana, Mukandabiraga. Madu Makata na Kray and Kana Pivira Kani Haina and a Taze.
Kutak to the lack, Nakoshatana, you know, Kutingi, Yang Kari, Shopaka, the one game which the Kosiona, only Waram, but the Yarao, when I bring a she, and which the Emily Mapan and a Quayarauti.
Congress President Sonia Gandhi today appointed T.N. Haokip as the President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC. T.N. Haokip will replace Gai Kangam, who is also the Deputy Chief Minister. The decision in this regard was taken in a meeting of All India Congress Committee. T.N. Haokip, who represents Saikot Assembly constituency in Churachandpur district, was the Speaker of the 8th Manipur State Assembly. Forest Department, Manipur carried out the first phase of census survey of Sangai and Kharsa in Kebul Lamjau National Park. Member of People's for Animal PFA, Sangai Protection Forum SPF, Wildlife Institute of India, Manipur University and Global Science Club took part in the survey, which was carried out in 32 different areas of the national park. Speaking to Impact News, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest P.N. Prasad said the second and last phase survey will be conducted on March 31 and April 2 respectively. He also said the census report will be sent to the centre and steps will be taken to conserve this endangered species. It may be mentioned that Sangai or brow-antlered deer was declared extinct in 1950, but 14 heads were counted in 1975. In 2013, a total of 204 heads were counted.
Date of home gi census gi average loraga, akoina sampling method gi adopt toraga, WIA na guideline piba adu manungda population di calculate togani. Hojik phao akoina khalaga leiba Kharsa Sangai Kebul Lamjau gi manungda khakta legire. Adu hojik report phange degi atai ani mafam dasu Kharsa hojik legire akoina visit toraga hojik enkre. Adu Sangai leiba leitaba adu census loiba toba matamda khangba namgani.
Teachers and students of National Institute of Technology, Manipur donated blood today at a blood donation camp held at its civil workshop at Langol in connection with the upcoming Ugri festival. Official of Jennings Blood Bank also took part in the blood camp. The cultural and technical festival will kick off on the 31st of this month.
이싱세 가나곰바 나 니디 퍼센 아마다 소이드나 여우기가돌바 아두곰바 세 사나곰로 포삭 아마니 하이나 아코이나 러위 아두고 로이나나 코이나 시데이스다 라카돌바 사이신다 슈마 아우리 텍 페스티벌 아우리 한근 종바 하브라 아우리 페스티벌 하이 마시다 yawa phangan biu haibasi students association student organization NIT da yamna koina set pa thamjari.
Manipur Architect Forum has cautioned the people against fake architects. Speaking at a press meet at Manipur Press Club, President of Manipur Architect Forum B. Krishna Kumar Sharma told the media that a number of fake architects in Manipur are copying drawings from the internet. He asked the people to consult genuine architects who have registered with the Council of Architecture, New Delhi, as Manipur is an earthquake-prone area.
Any architect magi council architect ki registration number ay namal leibane madu registration number do piba ngamdaba mi do ma architect natre masigi registration number se ujiti website ta hangaga ma se number se chumi chumde maming matha loi thokpani ujit haujiki laiba train sida architect amana khangadaba si ngasai gi india gi mafam atai digi to aga khoi manipur si zone number 5 ta leibe zone number 5 ase earthquake ta khwai kanna haba mafam neba adana masigi sigi zone number 5 sida sigi yumsaron khar leib masigi yumsaron je khoi gi masik khandaba mina design tawragadi madu khoi earthquake ta solakadaba leiba aduna adu akhangba mina tahunsi haibigi wa.
The Young Union Club, one of the local clubs of the Vaishal Marine Semgatpal Loop, yesterday launched table calendar for 2016 at an event held at Iro Majrao Auditorium. Sograpam Deban, who is also the club advisor, appreciated efforts of the club members. World TB Day 2016 was today observed at the Indoor Stadium District Headquarters, Chandal. The observance was organized by Revised National Tuberculosis Control Program RNTCP, District Health Mission, Vihan CNP Plus, Akshaya Project, Chandel, with an aim to eradicate tuberculosis on the theme Unite to End TB. A quiz competition on TB disease participated by school students of the district headquarters was also held on the occasion. Now it's time for a short break. We'll be back soon. Keep watching Impact News.
Manipur gi ahanba beautification center mafam sida mahing uring unsa khoiba ariba dakfam phahanba ngami tattoo mole freckle na chingbasu lauthokpa yai hakchang gi ahenba fat pamdaba body gi hair lauthokpa yai ahanba lakpiba 100 customer da skin test amadi doctor consultation lemna yingzagan ngasimak unabiu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic, MZ Avenue, Imphal.
Welcome back. A 5-day Uttar Purva Sanskriti Sangam celebrating the diverse cultural traditions of Bharat began today at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy. The Uttar Purva Sanskriti Sangam is jointly organized by Sangeet Natak Academy and Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy. On the first day of the festival, various dance forms of Madhya Pradesh, Langa, Manganer, songs of Rajasthan and Bihu dance of Assam were presented. Speaking to media, Deputy Secretary Dance of Sangeet Natak Academy, Y. Theba Devi, said the main objective of the festival is to showcase various art forms of India.
Mapan ki akhoi Bharat ki oiba mafam kya laiba art forms sing asiga loina na akhoi Manipur ki oiba culture Maitei ki oiba culture akhoi tribals myam ki culture sibu festival asigi manung channa mayam ki mamang chabaga loina na akhoi academy ki webcast ki all over the world da akhoi chabagi pandamasi akhoi
2-day festival of tribal and Meitei folk music of Manipur kicked off today at Shumang Lila Sanglen Palace Compound. The festival is organized by Actors Repertory Theatre under the sponsorship of Ministry of Culture, Government of India, with an aim to preserve and promote the dying folk musics and songs of both the hills and the valley of the state. Cultural activist Dr. Makhomani Mangsaba said there is a lot of folk tradition in both the hills and the valley, and the present and the future generations can learn from. He said this is the time to thoroughly discuss and research the folk tradition to bring it in the limelight. Folk artists from hills and valley presented folk music and folk songs on the opening day.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ intangible makal makal ki sacred ki adagi makal kaya mudar lay masi akoina thide research work to riba university lay ba sa sing thwa yo khara natana me ya mana kham ju kham de masi ko se kham ni naraga yimi naraga di sabut ni naraga do si ta pa ta lay no me ke katana te sing lay ba sing manu put lay sing na sing su akoina makoi da box pi da su kham ni naraga di kana ba
Solo dance competition, painting competition, science exhibition and patriotic recitation competition for higher secondary students will be held in connection with the first Manipuri Singju Festival. The festival will be held from April 3rd at Nungsikol Park in Lamlai. Popular Manipuri singer Huidrom Pusparani will be felicitated by Sahitya Seva Samiti Manipur in recognition of a 25-year singing career. Chairman of Sahitya Seva Committee Award Committee Khetri Bira told media at Manipur Press Club that Sahitya Seva Samiti will celebrate the 25-year singing career of Huidrom Pusparani in recognition of her contribution to the field of music and to encourage her to follow her dream. The event will be held on April 1 at Sesco Hall, Kakchin.
Kala Sanskriti, culture gi, sanakona bagi, lila gi, film gi, personality mayam do madu khan kalaga magi journey sir cam achievement cam phanglage si yengaga award honor sinasing bajai ko du maina pir lakchabani aduna Pusparani haiba angang je ko ni yengbada chahi um dagi sei sakpa rokiba angang si hujik chahi kunmanga mapung phare sigi tanja se dai ko na mangonda honor piba lamdam siramana toriba contribution je masai ko na recognition piba mikthol lama pijaba.
India is in process to adopt 112 as the national emergency number, with the Inter-Ministerial Telecom Commission giving a go-ahead to the move. Once affected, people will have to dial just a single number 112 for help during any type of emergency situations. Sources said the Telecom Commission has accepted Telecom Regulatory Authority TRAI's recommendation on a single number for various emergency services. It will now be drafted by the Department of Telecom and will require the Telecom Minister's approval. According to sources, all existing emergency numbers will be phased out within a year of rolling out 112, depending upon the awareness about this new facility. The move would be similar to the 911 all-in-one emergency service in the United States. The 5-member Pakistan investigation team probing the possible involvement of Pak-based militant group in Pathankot Airbase terror attack has reached Pathankot Airbase and started investigation. The team reached Amritsar by air and was taken to the airbase by road. BSF and airbase authorities have taken the team inside the airbase through a newly constructed gate in the back of the airbase wall. New Delhi has been praising Islamabad for action on the attack by terrorists on the key Indian Air Force base in Pathankot in January this year. 7 security personnel were martyred in the attack. All terrorists involved in the attack were also killed in the gun battle. India is all set to launch a record number of 22 satellites in a single mission in May this year. ISRO's Vikram Sarabhai Space Center Director K. Sivan told reporters yesterday at Thiruvananthapuram that they are planning to launch as many as 22 satellites on board PSLV C-34. Indian Space Research Organization ISRO's workhorse polar rocket PSLV C-34 carrying India's Cartosat 2C would have 21 other satellites from countries including the US, Canada, Indonesia and Germany as co-passengers. The launch would be made from the Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota. ISRO had earlier sent 10 satellites into orbit in a single mission in 2008. Now in sports, Young star Nagamapal beat their rival in the third MCA W Prahlad and W Ramananda Elite Cricket Tournament. In a match played today at Luang Pokpa Cricket Stadium, Luang Sangbam, Young star Nagamapal beat Tidim Road Athletic Union Kwakathel by 5 wickets. Young star Nagamapal's bowler Nikki was declared the man of the match. Uripo Cricket Club will meet RCCC Churachandpur in another match tomorrow. In the 43rd match of the 2nd Division I-League, Neroka FC Sangapom and Minerva Academy FC Chandigarh ended in a goalless draw. In the match played today at Kuala Men's Stadium, both the teams fought hard to score goal but failed. Neroka FC Sangapom will play Dempo Sports Club Goa in the 45th match at Kuala Men's Stadium. FC Achan Bigai entered the quarterfinal of the 12th state level 7-a-side village open football. In the last league match of the tournament played today, FC Achan Bigai thrashed 10-star Faidinga 10-3 to book a berth in the quarters. 24 teams are taking part in the tournament organized by Awang Kunau Youth Development Association, Awang Kunau Maya Lekai, at its ground. Force Cricket Club Khethrigao beat Pioneers Sporting Club Khuyathong by 65 runs in the 3rd MCA Plate Cricket Tournament today in a league match played at Langthobal Cricket Ground. Winning the toss, Force Cricket Club Khethrigao batted first and scored 200 runs in the stipulated 35 overs, losing 8 wickets. In reply, Pioneers Sporting Club Khuyathong were all out in 30.3 overs and made 135 runs. All-rounder of Force Cricket Club Khethrigao, Avinash, who scored 61 not out and took 3 wickets, was declared the man of the match. The tournament is organized by Manipur Cricket Association. Thongju Chigong Lai Makong Development Club will play Khethrigao Iril Mapal Club tomorrow. Before we end, the headlines once again. 30-year-old police sub-inspector shoots first cousin at Kwakethel, Moirangpure Lekai, surrenders at Singzoi police station. Counsel for CBI says it cannot consider the confession made by Head Constable Herojit before the media as evidence in Sanjit Rabina fake encounter case. And former Speaker Tian Haokip appointed President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee.